Okay, so tonight we're at Gunung Sari. It's in Pemogan. It's an area, the Banjar Gunung Sari. We're just going to check out what sort of street food we've got going here. Just like sausages and stuff on sticks. So looking for some sempol. Out of sempols in here. Huh? We got like fried chicken. Roti bakar. Maybe we'll get some roti bakar. Huh? Roti bakar, eh?
Yeah.
Alright, and sempol, eh? Alright, so this is sempol. It's like chicken meat on a stick and then they dip it in egg and fry it. It's really good. So this is roti bakar. Roti is more or less bread. We'll show you how they make this. Hey bro. So you see he just cuts the bread into slices and then they more or less just grill it. So he's putting like Nutella on it, it's like chocolate. And then heaps of butter, condensed milk, and then heaps more butter. So I put cheese on one side. You see he's grating some cheese on it. And more, so it's like cheese, condensed milk on top. Right, then heaps more butter in the middle. So it's like a heart attack sandwich. And then they just fry it, just grill it. So it seems a strange mix like chocolate and cheese, but that's very popular in Indonesia, chocolate and cheese. And this stuff really does taste good. It's really thick bread. By the time they grill it, it tastes really good. Alright, so you can see that it's all grilled up. It's like a big giant toasty sandwich with chocolate and cheese. And the cheese all melts in the middle of it. I like one side's cheese and the other side's chocolate. So. And he just cuts it in slices. And yeah, it's really good. Alright, so that's 13,000, about $1.30 for a whole loaf of bread, cheese and chocolate, grilled. So anyway, now we're going to get some sempol there. Okay, so this is the sempol. You can see it's just like chicken on, like chicken satays or whatever. And I'll show you what he does. Just starts frying it a little bit in the oil, sort of half cook the chicken, then he'll dip it in egg and fry the rest of it. So he also sells like bakso, little meatballs. Alright, you see he's just got like an egg mix here. And then put them back in the hot oil, and that egg just fries around the meat and gives it that extra bit of taste, egg taste. So these are about 10,000, about $1 for 10 sticks or something. Cheap. Alright, so you see now they puff right up heaps bigger. Once you put the egg on it and fry it, they puff up, make them a lot bigger in volume. So we're also going to get some Chulann, it's called. They're like little like meatballs mixed with tapioca flour and stuff. So we're going to get some of them as well. What are you going to get?
Tahu kocek.
Oh, tahu kocek. And Yuli's going to get some tahu. It's like tahu and tempeh mixed with what's peanut sauce? No? You see, he puts what you want in, either like a sweet chili sauce or just sambal or a peanut sauce. Alright, so you can see Ibu's making like a sambal Neely's getting like a sambal tao, it's like tofu, and just with sambal on it. You can also get a pet chow, it's like a peanut sauce. So she put some cabbage, so they fry up the tofu. And it's not normal tofu, it's like tofu, sort of a meatball type thing. They chop it up and then refry it. Neely's going to try the sambal. As you can see, it's just like the meat with the egg on it. They're really good, eh? I could eat just dozens of these. Alright, so this is it. And that's about it. It's just a little cupful. It's as small as cabbage and the tofu mixed. It's all squashed up, mixed with a bit of meat and then fried like a little meatball, tofu meatball. Alright, thank you. Okay, so you see they've got satay here as well. Satay AM. So satay here is about, with rice, it's about 15,000, about $1.50 for 10 skewers of chicken and white rice. Hey, Pat? Yeah. So as you can see, the place is just absolutely buzzing around here. There's all sorts of little warungs all the way along here. You've got babur AM, it's like a rice porridge, tao tek, which is like tofu. You've got things on sticks. What else have we got down here? You've got gorengan and martabak. It's like tempeh, tofu, bakwan, fried bananas. And what's this? Shimbal goreng. Got little drink carts. Got mee ayam, bakso, mee chak, it's all noodles. And there's more in here. More little carts in here. There's a little thing for the kids here. Little merry-go-round. So it's all happening here on Gunung sari, Banjar Gunung sari. There's just so many little places to eat every night. And it's really not that far from Legian. It's probably only a couple of kilometres from actually Legian, from Sunset Road. So it's not that far to get out here. If you really want the proper authentic experience of street food, come out to an area like this. I'll leave a Google map link of where this street is, and yeah, you can just walk around and have a look. Street food everywhere. So Chulann Palau Galang is about 2.7 kilometres from the beach at Legian. From the five-way intersection at Dewi Sri to Palau Galang is only 1.3 kilometres, and the whole of Palau Galang is only about 1.2 kilometres long, and it's just street food all the way. Alright, so we're at a little warung called Warung Setup Jakarta, and yeah, we've eaten here a few times, not too bad. So we got some ayam cabai garam, it's like salted chicken, and some chapchai, and nasi putih white rice. So this is basically it, just a little kitchen, a couple of big woks, and there's three of them that just cooks. InnB prepares and the boys cook. So this is it, this is our ayam cabai garam. It's like battered chicken. They call it garam is like salt, so it's like salty battered chicken. So we mix that with chapchai and some white rice. It makes it a good meal. Yeah, alright, so we got the chapchai, white rice and the ayam cabai garam, and that was about 43,000, it was about $43, so that was about 43,000, so about $4.30. So all up with everything we've got today, it's about probably $8 for everything, so it's pretty cheap food. It's a lot of good street food around here. As you can see, there's just little warungs and stuff everywhere. everywhere you go along here there's warong, so there's probably about 50 of them just up this street. So there's a fair few of these little whack-a-marts around. There's one about a kilometre away from here, there's a couple around Denpasar, and yeah, they're like a proper little supermarket. This cart is just avocado, actually, just avocado cart. Now these are really good, we get them all the time, the bintang ria, shawarmas, which are just kebabs.
You don't want sugar at all?
No. Alright, thank you. So I got me a little avocado juice there, 12,000 about $1.20.
Avocado shake.
You can see this area, there's just warong after warong after warong, they're just everywhere. But at the moment, like I said, it's Lebanon at the moment, so a lot of them are closed. So anyway, we'll head back up towards the bike. And yeah, it's just a little brief, quick look at around the area, more or less where we live. We only live close here, walking distance from here, and basically this is what we do every night. Just come up here and grab something off one of the little warongs or one of the carts. Little buxo warong across the road. Also here they have ACK, which is just like the local Indonesian KFC, more or less. So this is really popular, this. It's cheap as anything, like burgers are like $1.50 and a piece of chicken with rice is about $1.50 or something. It's just more or less fast food, it's just like KFC type thing. It's cheap, and the locals like it. These are like little drinking things. They sell this Nutrisari and all that. Get all different type of drinks. You buy 3 and you get a free one. And this is a typical little veggie shop. There's not much veggies left now because it's night, but of a morning it's full of all fresh veggies. And so we're after some pindang. So no one's got any pindang. It's like a fish, little tuna or that, cooked tuna, and we feed them the cats. Okay, so we'll leave this video here from Gunung Sari, the Banjar Gunung Sari and Pemogan. It's more or less our little home area. Hey! All the kids see the camera and they come running. The boys have got slingshots, look. He's got a slingshot. He's going, hey, how are you?
How are you today?
What do you got? Slingshot? Yeah. All right, he's got a slingshot. He's trying to get the girls with it.
Where are you from?
Australia. Bukit, what are you doing up here? It's my cat, one of them. All right, so we'll show what we got here. You want to get it out, Yidley? So this is basically the sempol. It's like the chicken. They're like a satay, but a lot different, and they're dipped in egg, and they're really good. They're very spicy. It depends, you can get what you want on them, different types of sweet and sour, or like sweet chili, sorry, or peanut sauce, or any sort of sauce on them you want. They're really good. Now, it's not like actual chicken, it's like mashed up minced chicken put on a stick. Really good. All right, so this is the tau kocek. It's more or less just tofu.
That's all wrapped in tofu.
Yeah, it's like a meat mixed with tofu and then fried. And then she makes a sambal and all that. It's a bit spicy, it's really good. My avocado juice. Now this is an avocado shake. There's ice in it as well. So you just shake it up. So it's milk, mixed with condensed milk and with avocado. Right, so this is the fried bread, the roti bakar. And look at it, it's really good. Now you can see one side will be chocolate. Yuli likes the chocolate and I like the cheese ones. So it's more or less just grilled bread with cheese in the middle, like a cheese sandwich, you know. But they give you more or less the whole loaf of bread. It's really good with that grilled toast It's better than just toasted, you know. I like the cheese, really likes the chocolate. And that's it. Roti bakar. That's it. So all that together, the sempol, the roti bakar, the tofu and the drink was about $4. So it just shows how cheap it is to eat out this way if you want to. Okay, so we got the chapchai. So this was 43,000, separate to the other stuff, the roti bakar and that. This is the chapchai. So we got the chapchai, which is basically just vegetables with a little bit of chicken in it, chicken chapchai. And ayam cabai garam, which is like fried chicken, battered fried chicken. Look at that, what a big bowl of it. Tastes really good too. It's really good. And just some white rice. So what we do is just mix the chapchai like and a bit of the soup with some chicken and some white rice, and it's a good food. So all that together, this is 43,000. That's the rice, the chicken and the chapchai, which is about $4.30. And then so everything all together with the sempol, the avocado juice, the roti bakar, you know, the chapchai, all that is probably around $8.50, $9 for all that. So it's a hell of a meal, and there's more than enough for two people here. So anyway, just shows you how cheap it is to eat out around Pemogan.